Well, I was working on the chicken coop, but it started to rain, and this is settled in for the night. So I'm wondering, what can I do now on a Memorial Day when it's raining out? Alright guys, that tree you saw fall just a minute ago, this is the base log out of it, this is the veneer log. I have one slab sold out of it, and I sold that slab for enough to literally pay for the whole tree. Alright, so on this rainy afternoon, I guess I'm just going to slab this up into slabs and make some money out of one of them, put the rest of them away, make money off of those at a later date. Alright guys, come on along with me as we get this set up and slab it out. Guys, I'm going to roll this log on the mill. So it lays the way it wants to lay, which that appears to be pretty good right there. Alright, we're going to lock it down. I've got to toe board this end of it a little bit. I do have it on the mill backwards. Just the way it is. Alright guys, got the log toe boarded up. Got it dog down. Let the new motor warm up a little bit. And then we'll start slicing this up. You might be wondering where Tim is today. It's Memorial Day weekend. This is Memorial Day. We weren't supposed to do anything today. I was going to build the chicken coop. He had things to do at his house. But because of the rain, I can't do that. Might as well do this. I could call him, he would come help me. But I'm going to let him rest. We worked hard Saturday. We put in a full day. Alright guys, we're working on the skinless, make it light and make it turn. We're going to 8/4 all the way down. Hard maple, and it is hard. roll this, finish slicing it up. Alright, before I roll it, I'm going to scrape it. The reason you scrape it is because if you leave any sawdust on it, it'll stain it. Maple is very white wood. Don't get any prettier than that. Now when we roll these on, a lot of people worry about us sticking our legs in here. Well, when I roll this log, I still got plenty of room between the track and the log. The log's not going to get any bigger, it's actually going to get smaller if I saw it. So with my leg inside here, if I can fit it in there before I start sawing, it'll fit while I'm sawing. Does that make sense? Hardwood. Get to that balance point. Perfect. I'll get this cap off of here. So we'll do that and get back to it. This saw's got an 11-inch throat. I exceeded that. Now that I took the cap off, I can finish that last cut. let that run for a minute, cool down. It's gonna work out today. I'm gonna scrape these down and these on it. Stick them over here. First wood. Alright guys, you can see I ended up with some really pretty wood. These will all make mighty fine breakfast bar tops or just a regular bar top. Adirondack hard maple or better known as sugar maple. Alright guys, the rain is really starting to come down. All we gotta do is just knock the live edge off of both sides of this, and this will be ready to go. Just live edge off. Don't want to take any board off. Hope you did a good job. The engine almost died because I forgot to turn the gas back on. That, my friends, worked out perfectly. Never had such a good looking board. Let's get a closer look at that board. It's Adirondack hard maple. Almost totally knot free. This was a veneer log. And we have plenty more to sell right there. Alright guys, thanks for coming along with us on this rainy afternoon as we made a little money off of a nice Adirondack hard maple. I'm very satisfied with the way this went. I'm really happy with the new motor. I think I ought to think about changing the drive belt. That's the original drive belt that came on the mill, and it was doing a little smoke in there when I was pushing it through the widest part of that maple. I had to slow it up. Alright guys, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, hit that subscription button. Well, that one's not going to do any good, but it reminds you to hit the subscription button. Thumbs up. That thumbs up doesn't cost a dime, but boy, it sure helps out our channel. And the notifications bell. We have 10 of our favorite videos in the playlist. You don't want to miss those either, if you get bored. Alright guys, thanks for coming along with us. Until the next one, we will catch you later.